In this video, I will show you how to use Excel camera tool to create snapshots from various worksheets in an Excel workbook and create a dashboard out of those snapshots. So what you see on the screen is a dashboard sheet which contains various snapshots. So see, this is a picture. So I can rotate this picture. This is also a snapshot, which is a picture. I can rotate. This is also a picture which I can rotate. So these are all snapshots from different sheets in this worksheet. So if I click on this snapshot, it says it's from sales. The data range is given. If I click on this chart, this snapshot is from this range, and if I click on this, it's from profit sheet. So if you look at sales tab, this is the data range from which I took a snapshot and displaying there, and this is the chart, so which you see here. And then if you click on the profit, this is the speedometer chart which I am showing. I took a snapshot of this speedometer chart and pasted it here. So this is what we are going to learn today. So the data in the snapshot changes as and when the data in the individual sheets changes. So for example, I have linked all those charts to this drop down list. So if I change, so you look at this charts, I am changing this February to April. See how the data changes. Even though it is a picture, the data changes. So if I change this to December, the data changes. I'll show you how to add the camera tool in this quick access toolbar. So for that, click on file menu, click on options, select quick access toolbar here. So from popular commands, you change it to all commands. See there you can see a camera. So click on this camera, add, click OK. So a camera tool got added here in the quick access toolbar. Now let us create the snapshots in this blank dashboard worksheet. So it has only a drop down list showing months. So on this sales tab, so let us create a snapshot of this table showing the total sales for multiple regions for the selected month, that is January. So select this range, go to the quick access toolbar, click on this camera tool to take snapshot. So it has taken a snapshot. Now go to the dashboard sheet. So see the crosshair, it is a thin cross. So wherever you want that snapshot to be printed, you click on that position using left mouse. So I clicked, so it got pasted here. So it is a picture actually. See, you can rotate. So this is the snapshot. So you can see the values changing when I change this to February. See the values changes. See, May 2022. So the value changes. Now again go to sales. So you cannot use camera tool to select charts like this because it is not enabled. So it only works with the ranges, data ranges. So click on the cell to the left of the chart and using right arrow move the cursor to the next cell so that it is on the top left corner of this chart. So press down shift key and move the down arrow so that you can go to the bottom of the chart. Now use keeping the shift key down, move the mouse to the right using the right arrow, release the shift. So now the range of the chart is selected. Now click on this camera tool to take the snapshot of that range. So I clicked on it, go to the dashboard. So now see the crosshair, the mouse pointer has changed to a thin crosshair. So I want to paste the snapshot in this position. So click the left mouse. So it pasted here. So I can rotate it. See, it's a picture actually. So again let us see whether it works. August. So both this snapshot as well as this snapshot changes. So this is changing because the data here is changing. So So the same snapshot, whatever is shown here, it takes the snapshot and displays it here. So when the data changes there, the data changes here also. Now let us take the snapshot of the speedometer chart in sheet profit. So I'll click on the cell to the left of the chart. Using right arrow, move the selection to the cell on the top left corner of the speedometer chart. Now press down shift key and move down arrow so that we can select the range. I will select till below the title profit for month June 22, 33.24%. Now keeping the shift key pressed down, move the selection to the right using the right arrow. So see, I'll select back. Now release the shift key. Now the range containing the chart is selected. So click on the camera tool to take the snapshot. I've taken the snapshot, go back to dashboard sheet. I want the snapshot to be printed here. So the mouse pointer has changed to a thin crosshair. So click the left mouse. So it pasted the snapshot. So I can rotate this. So now let us see what happens when I change. See, for June it is 33.24. So when I change it to September, changes to 17.08%. So because in profit sheet it's 17.08, September it is 17.08, which is printed here. So it is printed here also. So I change it to November, it's 48.54.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.